Exercise 19, the lighting effect. What we want to achieve here is put a reflection of light into this corner over here, like a window reflection, something like that. And purely for safety reasons, we work on a new layer so that we don't interfere with our image. Take our marquee selection tool and we will select an area to put our lights. We'll go to the subtract from selection and we will just split the lights into, you see that's a harsh one. Now let's put a little bit of a feather in, so we'll see the difference between the feather and the non-feather. Put it across there and we'll come more as a third down and we'll do the same over here. There we have it. Now we're going to put in color. White, so it's going to be Control backspace, and we can now deselect our marching ants, and you can see the difference here with the feather. Just 2 points has made a huge difference. That's harsh and it's a lot softer over there, but this light is now very hard and it looks silly, so we'll change the opacity a bit and we'll just bring the opacity down, and now it's starting to look more like a reflection in the background, but we don't want it to cover the lady. And it's also very square, so what we'll do is we will Control T them to transform, and now we'll use the Control key once again and we will skew the lights a little bit, give it a bit of a shape, something like that. Enter to apply the transformation, and now we'll simply get our eraser. Take our eraser, it's a soft eraser, and we will erase away from the furniture and the lady. Ooh, let's set up the opacity, because we don't want to be all day erasing. So on the edge of the couch here, we can zoom in to come a lot tighter. We take it away, take it away. Obviously over there we'll have to make a smaller brush. And you see what's coming over here, we'll take some of that away there. There we go. And there we have a reflection of light on the wall behind her. And that just completes and fills the image. Thank you.